Hi guys. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for my new keyboard. It is a Razer Blackwidow mechanical gaming keyboard. So now we're going to open it. Woohoo! So the clickage is so nice. Okay, get the scissors. I think probably. Look, there's some little booklety things. Ooh, how nice. Little booklety things. Ooh. Sadly, I can't use it at the moment, just because I'm still waiting on my computer to arrive in. Welcome to the cultivator. To arrive in the mail, so can't use it yet. I guess I could plug it into my Surface and see how it works. There we go. Ooh. I love the clicking. Ooh, this has got like a nice little rubber doodad. How nice. Yes. Anyway, I guess I can plug it into my Surface and see if it does cool shit. And I bought a gaming computer, but knowing my ass, I probably won't do too much gaming because I'm like that. There's very few games that I enjoy. Mostly it's Animal Crossing or RPGs or shit like that, so they don't make a whole ton of those that I enjoy either, so let's see what my computer over here says. It says it's oh, ooh, there's power. It's purple. Oh, it's turning red. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if it's got some clickage. Oh, what? Oh, it's opening a Razer thing. That's probably not. Oh, it says the stuff. I hold the competitive advantage, do I? So this is what it's doing. Hold on a minute. Allow me to remove this. Bye. Okay. Blah blah blah. Experience inventory. Camera layers. Studio. Cross Razer. Okay. Continue. Ooh, but it feels nice. I have to give it that. Razer Synapse. Optional Synapse modules. Alexa? Hell no. Chroma Connect. Studio? I don't know. Hue? No. Powerful macros your favorite. Nano Leaf allows you to configure light panels. Sure. But I don't need Alexa. Continue. Let's do some shit. Okay, now it's installing. But damn! Look at this. Look how pretty this thing is. It'd probably look a lot better in, like, you know, without the bright light on it or whatever, but it's cool. I have to give it that much. It's really cool. This rest thingy. So far, it looks like it's all the basic shit on it, which is good. It's good. Basic shit. This logo changes color, too. That's really fucking cool. They gave me some stickers. I guess those are for your desktop and shit, I guess. Yeah. And then that one. I have a razor sticker on my old lamp, I think. Because I had razor branded earbuds, which were fantastic. Still have them, but they're a little bit fucked up since they're ancient. And tried to be eaten by a dog. So, they served me well though for a very long time.
Stuck with them forever and ever, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, very, very sweet, and they like really, really love each other.
Yeah, back to the topic at hand.
Are you single?
Yes! I've been single, oh god.
When was your last long-term? My shirt has just been like, It's because I definitely recorded that. I'll tell you something. I did. I
Surprise.
sure did.
So, in conclusion, this keyboard is really fucking cool, and the clickiness is great, and the colors are gorgeous, and it probably would look much better when it wasn't completely daylight, but you know. So I recommend, definitely. So more on the keyboard. I've been using it for, those are dirty. I've been using it for a few weeks-ish now, I think. And I wanted to touch on a few things that I find a little bit annoying. The lights, they work most of the time, but sometimes they have issues. And also the keyboard, it's not really plug and play per se, because it's because you plug it in, because I was reinstalling Windows on my new computer, and when trying to use that keyboard with it, the plug and play specifically didn't seem to work, because apparently it needs drivers and crap before it'll actually work. Which, like normal keyboards, you plug it into your computer wherever and it works fine. That one's a little bit different in that fact. But it would work technically, but when you press the key, it would just continuously press that key over and over, and so it would just continue on a line of that letter, which doesn't help, because that means it doesn't work. So that's a little bit of an annoying factor in it, because the majority of keyboards are plug and play, but that one seems to have its driver specifically to work, which is a little annoying. And sometimes the stupid app that goes along with it, like the Razer Synapse thing or whatever it is, likes to crap out and like close itself sometimes, which then makes the keyboard kind of, mostly that just uses it's for the color profile or whatever, but which isn't a big deal, because it just won't be colorful, but it's a little bit annoying because it likes to crash. So that's my only complaints probably, because otherwise the keyboard's really nice. It's also nice that it turns off the lights when you're not using it for a certain period of time. You can set it to do that or whatever, and so it conserves its power or something, I guess, which is also a nice feature. But otherwise, it seems to work fairly well, and I think it was a good purchase for what I paid for it. I didn't pay, I think retail, because I think they're like 130 or something normally, but I didn't pay that, so. But for what I did pay, it was a good buy. I quite like the keyboard, especially the rainbowiness is gorgeous. It goes along really well with my new computer that has a rainbow thing going on. So anyway, if you like this video, consider subscribing. I do various kinds of videos, mostly art related stuff, but like unboxing things and stuff that whenever I get to do cool things, I like to do unboxings. But yeah, so subscribe if you like this video, and give it a thumbs up or whatever the hell the shit is on YouTube. I'm terrible at this, but I'll see you in the next one.